What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video I'll be showing you how to draw Judy Hopps from Zootopia. Let's begin today's lesson in the center of our page with a curve across the top of the nose. Starting on the left side, I'm going to bend this up, across, and then down. Now from the ends we're going to work our way across the eye. So we'll start with the left one. We're going to go all the way up, round out the eye, come down, and then in towards that point. Now we're going to do the same thing on the right. We're going to go up, round out the eye, come down, and just bend that in. Let's pull the iris and pupil towards the inside. So on the left, we're going to draw a circle, going all the way around, then in towards the bottom. Do the exact same thing on the right. Now I want to trace that circle along the inside. Going around with a full circle, and then up. And I'm going to fill the center of the pupil in black. And we go back up to the top and add a thick eyelid. Starting from the side, go up higher in the middle, go across, and just pull that down towards the inside. And we'll fill the eyelid in black. Now from these 2 points, we're going to step down and draw the nose. We're going to curve this down and then up. And then from the ends, bend this down and in towards the center of the nose. On either side, let's add a curve for the nostrils and we'll fill those in black. Let's go back to the tip of the nose. Draw a straight line coming down. And we'll draw the top edge of the mouth. We're going to start with the left side, bend this down and then up. Do the same thing on the right. And then we'll add a bracket on the ends. Let's go back to the center and draw the teeth. We're going to come down and then up. Let's go out to the side. We're going to open up the mouth. We're going to bend this in, come down, around, and then out. Just underneath the mouth, we're going to add another curve for the lower lip. Let's go back to the center of the mouth. We're going to add the tongue. Bend this up and then down to the left and right side. And we'll fill the top half of the mouth in black, going around the teeth and the tongue. Now we're going to go to the side of the eyes, step out and draw the top of the head. So we'll start with the left, we're going to go up, round out the head, come across, and then down towards the right. Now I want to bump out the cheeks. We're going to start back on the left, bend this out, and then come around the cheeks. Let's bend this in, coming in, and then down towards the side of the neck. Let's do the exact same thing on the right. We're going to bump out the cheek, come around and in, bend this in and then down. Now I'm going to close out the bottom with a straight line. And then add the collar. From this point, bend this out and then up underneath the head. Now along the top of the head, we're going to draw in the eyebrows. Starting from the side of the head, bend this up and then in on both sides. Draw a short line going up. Bend this out and then down. And we'll fill the inside of the eyebrows in black. Now with the face complete, let's move up to the top and draw those long ears. We're going to leave a gap in the center. Start with the one on the left. Curve this in and up, and then back out towards the top of the ear, and do the exact same thing on the right. Let's round out the tip of the ear, come around the outside, and then bend that in towards the bottom. And now we want to add that trim inside the ear. Starting in the center, bend this up and just taper that up toward the top. Round at the top, come down the outside, and then bend that back in towards the middle. Let's do the exact same thing on the right. And then we'll sign out art and add a splash of color. And that's pretty much it. That's how I draw Judy Hopps from Zootopia. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please be sure to subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single week. I want to thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.